Hi everyone, this is Tara from LifeStraw. I'm just here to take everybody quickly through the LifeStraw Go filter and replacing your carbon filter. Here's your filter on the bottle. The way to remove it, you simply just pull it out of the cap. And what you have here is the membrane microfilter. This filter is what removes bacteria, parasites, microplastics. On the top is a carbon filter. This lasts 100 liters and really helps to improve taste, reduce smells and odors, take out chlorine and herbicides and pesticides. You just need to pry underneath the capsule itself and then pull it right out. And then you just take your new one and push it right into the top, and then take the whole filter and replace it back into the cap, pushing pretty snugly so you don't have any opportunity for air, which can reduce the flow rate. And then go ahead and just screw your bottle back on.